well, has done very well in today's trading session. 24,950 is where we are at on the Nifty. Almost a 1% uptick coming in. Similar for Sensex, 0.8% uptick. Nifty Bank too, 0.8% uptick. In fact, closing at the day's high is where all three of these benchmarks are looking very good. India VIX has seen a drop of 1.5%, so now we are below that 15 mark. Another positive coming in for the market. You have the broader end of the market that has done very well today. Strong show of support coming in from the mid cap, small cap. In fact, the small cap index has outperformed the entire market. It seems to have simmered down slightly. Last we spoke about that it was 1% higher, but nonetheless it's all closing very firmly in the green. The advance decline ratio, I don't believe I have seen it ever so evenly distributed between the advances and the declines, but nonetheless India VIX has seen a cool off, so well, it looks like all's well that ends well. You have HDFC Life, BEL, SBI Life, TechM, UltraTech all looking good. Remember, you had a brokerage note on HDFC Life management meet, the antique note, and a positive view is what they hold. So that stock has done well. On the flip side, the biggest loser on the street today from the Nifty 50 pack, you have Tata Motors on the back of the JLR guidance cut that we've seen today. Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma, Adani Ports. These are the only names ending in the red when it comes to the Nifty. But sectorally, if you take a look at it once again, it was the day of Nifty IT, the names of Persistent, Emphasis, Tech Mahindra. So it's rather these mid-cap IT names that have outperformed the large-cap names, and that's looking good today, followed by Realty, Metal, Nifty Bank, Energy, FMCG, Media, PSU Banks, Pharma and Auto. All of them have ended in the green, but Auto has been the least gainer today. A 0.1% uptick coming in on Nifty Auto. Other than that, if you talk about some stocks that have been in focus ever since the get-go, it's all these pharma names. Sun, Natco, Syngene, all of them in focus in today's trading session. You also have Bajaj Finance. That stock was trading X bonus and X stock split today, so that stock was in focus. Tata Motors, like we spoke about. Yes Bank, Moody's rating upgrade coming in, so that stock seems to have done pretty okay in today's trading session, closing in the green with a spike of 0.5%. You have Nazara Technologies, where Rekha Jhunjhunwala sold entire stake held by late Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's estate in the company. Nazara Tech rather flat, but in the green nonetheless. Ireda, ITC, you have all of these stocks in focus. The Entertainment was supposed to mull fundraising today, so that stock was in focus as well. You have IndusInd Bank, new NFRA notices on IndusInd Bank auditors, so it's a little bit of a trouble, but nonetheless, IndusInd Bank has managed to close in the green by about 0.5%. Morgan Stanley notes that came in very positive upgrade or coming in on PI Industries to overweight. That stock has done very well in today's trading session. And Naveen Florin, but that has ended rather tempered. PI Industries, a 4.5% uptick coming in. That's how we're wrapping up today's trading session. It's almost a 0.9% uptick coming in on Nifty, very close to the 24,950 levels. We'll give those rates some time to settle. But on that note, we'll wrap it up on this edition of Closing Trades. Thanks so much for tuning in.